a wonderful thing. Thank you.
Astrid, where did Toothless go?
I don't know. Wow. Man, wouldn't want to be you right now. I mean, you brought back everyone's dragon except yours.
Yeah, you know, this is not helping at all. Toothless! Hey, bud! Stoic. Bad dragon, very bad dragon. You scared me to death. Don't ever stay away that long again. And what is in your mouth? Yeah, you found my helmet. But hey, you found my helmet. That's where you've been? Buddy, thank you. You are amazing.